Home remedies to manage sciatica. Sciatica pain is associated with the nervous system. It is the result of excess pressure on the lumbar disc. Other contributing factors include inflammation or irritation of the sciatic nerve by an adjacent bone. Some underlying issues also cause sciatica. These include degeneration of the spine due to the lack of vitamin D, bad posture, or stress injury that cause disc hernia. Inflammation that results in internal bleeding, pregnancy. Ginger essential oil. Ginger essential oil may have a soothing effect on lower back pain. It contains ginger oil, which exhibits analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties may help reduce pain. Dilute the ginger essential oil with a carrier oil like olive oil. Apply this blend to your lower back. Peppermint oil. Peppermint has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Its ability to relieve pain might help in providing relief from sciatica. Dilute peppermint oil with the carrier oil like sweet almond oil. Apply this mixture to the affected area. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a bioactive compound called curcumin that possesses analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. It can also accelerate nerve regeneration. These properties of turmeric may help in reducing sciatic nerve pain. Celery juice. Celery extract possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Hence, celery juice may help in reducing the intensity of the pain and decreasing the inflammation. Blend the chopped celery with honey and water until you get a fine mixture. Add honey to this and consume the juice. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds possesses analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. They also exhibit neuroprotective effects. These properties and effects may help reduce sciatica pain. Mix the fenugreek powder and milk applied to the affected area. Wash it off with warm water after it dries.